And to the Almighty we pray. For his guidance every day. You have no explosion, you see who the bad man well. True with a step up it and kill them. True them here big it and kill them. Don't see when the rose and kill them. None of them have the dance still them. So we are still banded.
Christmas is in the air and you're tuned in to another episode of Predis. I'm your host Michaela Leona and this week we're in Beverly Hills. Stay tuned for the next half an hour for the musical journey. Happy holidays. Lots of artists and lots of good vibes. It all went down at Magnum Explosion. Let's check out the highlights.
Phone, take a picture, yeah, that's your face. And you put me on a patchy for me, make me not such a pitch. Come and turn it on a stop it on it, like me I'm a pit. Me stuck it on a pop it, and when it on a lap it. Now you feel that me face, stuck it, but drop it on it. Me ever coming like it. Me can't dance, that's why me travel with my dancer there.
Alright, 2018 was a groundbreaking and controversial year for you. What can we look forward to in 2019?
2019 is going to be even a greater year for me. I mean, it's just like me just plant the seed, so it not even start grow yet. So I feel like 2019 is going to be even bigger and better for me because we just start work, not even, manifest yet. So it's going to be a good year. I can feel it.
You definitely broke the internet this year, but you raised a valid point for dark women or women of dark complexion everywhere. Do you think person's attitude in the industry has changed towards you?
It has to, because at the end of the day, I sent out a message and I even received apologies from another dark-skinned woman who was calling me dark and calling me black. So it's a step. And a lot of people ask me, do you feel like you're going to change it? No, I can't do it. We have to do it together. And that's why I put the message in the song so people can listen what they're doing and so that they can also see that the other girls that's bleaching the skin is because of the black community that's causing them to do that, because society made them feel like if you have a lighter color, you look better or you're more popping. And so that's the whole entire thing. I wanted to create awareness for colorism. And I mean, at the end of the day, I can just try my best in any way possible to demolish colorism.
The fans were so eager to see you tonight. I think they haven't seen you in Jamaica in a while for rough up the stage like that. How would you describe the performance?
Energetic as always, just give them a spicy night and a spicy set. Be myself, and that's what they love about me. I just give them put on a show. I'm an entertainer, not just an artist to go up there and sing the songs that they hear on the radio. I put on a show. I think that's what they love.
People place. Can't believe you shot at them, go bleach out them face. Let me the funky man stand up and videos. Can't believe some man can go the other way. You mean Jamaica so much? The government them in the fun pay. On over son, tell him some other thing, tell me would I say a lie.
Somebody tell a pussy that and now we from Maki. Have your family, let your family say she will cry. She don't know somebody, but you love me the kid and me some of your body. Love your figure, me because you're so happy.
Our joy, so from our third stage is just fun. We just do it from our heart, you see me? So the crowd reception was great.
But my friend we not pay, and some informer friend we love me. We tell them say we not fake friend about that game, cause good black friend we not pay. We not police come to we in a jeep, so we tell them let's be a girl we a fake, cause that would you know, think you see a man like you. They wanna say twist sticky. They wanna say nicky. Yo, remember that one now. And you want that girl make them friend. Now you don't know you are your man now left. You are fame wild, fame friend. I remember that one now. We got. I know you look so good, you want to stop crying for you. Me to the road I carry feelings for you.
Like we need more of these shows. You understand? We need more opportunities so we can express more way in a way. But we always put out the work and I say, look up at General B EP. We are coming out soon, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Can't cook, pick it up, you have to look your war. I'm a star that comes out my back book. Cook, recipe book. Man in the kitchen, can you? Woman, you better can't cook. Pick it up, you have to look your war. I'm a star that comes out my back. Cook, recipe book. Hey, yo. Big Sunday morning, you're young in a bed for your boy to banana, sleep to fish.
You know what, I had a good time. I think the audience had a good time. I did, most of the songs them would have loved to hear. And, big up to Magnum, big up to Ramesh, big up to everybody.
If you standard flop, you want that chat, me know if you bring them back. Yes, me said Dr. Fix it is back. If you want get your things them intact. But if you standard flop and you want a chat, me know if you bring them level down. Tomorrow I'll be in a surgery. Renee from 5 going to 6:30. I signed on the door, Mark, don't disturb me. Next time you see her, just say Renee hips curvy. Me never have to go to college, we get this I give ya. Me have the technique for straighten out if a beauty no gun cheap. Sexy and neat. Me have some remedy for make girls look like Yannick. I feel like I'm 6 but the cake queen twins. Them look like Shensi, Artist and Chin. The two still give Sean and bring.
Well, experience nice, just put me back in the same frame of mind like when I did up on Magnum Kings and Queen. So, it is a pleasure for me, and it was a pleasure for me performing, because I'm open the show, the thing go. Yeah, so people them receive me well, that thing there. So just look out for better and greater things from Blue Go. Yeah.
How would you describe Magnum as a brand in terms of their contribution to dancehall music and developing young artists?
Well, I say no, Magnum is my brand. You see me I say? Yeah, I'll always be sipping on Magnum. Magnum is doing a great thing to the dancehall, where the dancehall platform is, where young artists is, a whole heap of them put on the platform. If you even check out on the stage right now, it's another Magnum contestant, that is another Magnum artist that on the stage. So Magnum is a big brand contributing to the dancehall and the dancehall of Jamaica.
Right now, me not too like the hard life, bunny if you make us things of alright. Love for the music that make me choose it. If I can test me, know me not. But no, I'm my time. Me say I'm my time. Don't have the corners of mine. Now share the bill, me say no, not a lie. If I get one test and lyrics is the crime, Magnum was the season, then join the line. Me top that. Any girl I compete, me top that.
You describe your performance?
I would describe my performance as exceptional. Being that, I'm an upcoming artist, I'm not yet there. So I would say it's a start.
Felicia, who don't have more girlfriend than me. G. Georgette, H. Hermelia. I. Ingrid, J. Jamila, K. Camila, L. Anika, M. F. Monique, N. Finayoka, me up. O. Olivia with the funny corner. P. Patrice, me send go by Maribana, Q. Cubana, R. Rashida, S. P. Sandra, Tita Mika, me up. Q. Yonia, and B. Vanessa, W. P. Winsome, X. P. Zardia. Y. P. Yanni, Z. P. Zanika, me know me A.B. So catch up to the doctor.
I wouldn't say that, I kind of find a little comfort here. Like it just bring me back to Magnum days, and I just feel comfortable. I see like the photographers from Magnum promoters and everything, so it kind of bring back that vibe there, so I'm just alright. I got perform and want people vote for me. But this time I got cheer. So I just went out and do my best as usual, and that was it.
You can say my name each and every day, shout it out. You ain't a shame, come and be your understand. And when them put them run up, we go see them run up. We spot them stand up, you guide them stand up. You go see with the lazy boy, you go see with stand up. And now at him, the ladies, you see you stand up.
The home of dancehall, home of reggae music, and of course Magnum is synonymous with reggae and dancehall music. I know this is the 6th and final staging for the year, and we wanted to give back to the Jamaican people, and it has been amazing. Christmas time, it was very affordable. Come in, you get 2 Magnum at the gate, and of course you can see the crowd support, you can hear the noise with just the DJs being on stage. And we kicked off in Guyana earlier this year, and of course we went to Trinidad and Tobago. More than 10,000 people showed up in Trinidad. We couldn't have done a better show than doing it in Jamaica. And of course, when we see the support for dancehall music, see the support from Magnum, the best thing for us to do was to bring both of them together in Jamaica. And of course, it was a great show. We are going into Suriname, so we're adding Suriname to the Magnum Explosion lineup this year. So that will be almost 7 more shows in the region. And we have a Magnum Club Tour, which is going around the Caribbean countries, and we're adding 4 more Caribbean countries to that. So of course, we're taking Magnum outside of Jamaica, and of course, we're giving it to our consumers right across the Caribbean, which means investment for Jamaica, foreign direct investment coming back into the country is something bigger and better for Jamaica, and we're looking forward to it.
And that was Magnum Explosion, held at the Melbourne Cricket Oval. Now after the break, we roll out a new artist and we premiere a new video. We'll be right back.
What to cook for dinner today?
You have the key to my heart right there.
Mommy, what's for dinner?
Corned beef and rice.
Uh-oh.
Ian, what's that noise?
Nothing, Mommy.
Dinner's ready.
Great quality products for the entire family at unbeatable prices. Hilo, making life easier.
One more shot.
Our spirit is proud. Our spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Neville, our spirit